All right, now here, guys, we are having a dinner. This is dinner, guys. Dinner. My wife is she actually ordered this for herself, and she ordered this for me. But now I don't like that, so we swap. You know, my wife loves me, so she said, "I'm a husband. You can't suffer. I'll eat what you're supposed to eat, and you can eat mine." You see, it's good to have a wife with a beautiful heart, beautiful skin, beautiful face, and a beautiful heart. You see, so everything combines together. So that's our table. These are my kids, just waiting. Just waiting. Yeah. We were just waiting for. These are all our waiters. Our waiters. Thank you. See that wait. Yay! Very happy man. Can you see that? Happy man. Happy man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yes, exactly. Happy man. Happy man. We need people that are happy like you. It's good. You know? See.
Can I ask what is this?
This is a beans.
Beans. No meat.
No meat. Vegetarian. Vegetarian.
Well, I never thought I was going to eat. I never thought I was going to eat. But this made me have every time. Maybe can you see this? Communication breakdown about what? You didn't know that. At the reception.